Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy A80. So this is the latest smartphone that Samsung has just announced, and this smartphone has an all-screen display with no notches or holes, yet it also gives you a front-facing camera. So let me give you a quick rundown about what this phone is all about. First things first, the screen is a 6.7-inch display, so that's a very large screen. In fact, it is as large as Samsung's ultra premium flagship, the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G smartphone. Now the screen resolution is not as high. The screen resolution is 1080 by 2400, which is known as the full high definition plus. But this is in fact a Super AMOLED new infinity display, and the new infinity display simply means it doesn't have a notch or a hole, so it's truly an all-screen smartphone. And of course, I've mentioned it does have a front-facing camera. Now, how is that possible if the screen on the front is all screen? What is happening is the camera, the rear camera, actually slides up and then rotates and becomes the front-facing camera, which is quite a fantastic tactic to implement to give us a front-facing camera. So again, it slides up and rotates, so the rear camera becomes the front-facing camera. And of course, you're probably wondering what the camera is all about. So we have three cameras on the rear. One of them is actually a 48 megapixel standard camera with an aperture of f2.0. The second one is an ultra-wide lens with an aperture of f2.2, and it's 8 megapixels. And the third one is a 3D depth sensing camera that's going to allow for some real nice tricks. So some of the other highlights of this phone is that it has a 3700 milliamp hour battery. Now that's going to give this phone an extremely long battery life. Remember, the screen resolution is not as high as a Samsung Galaxy S10, but it has 3700 milliamp hours battery. That just means it's going to last pretty long. Probably going to give you a solid all-day battery life. On top of that, it actually comes with super fast wired charging. It actually is capable of charging up to 25 watts. Now that's probably going to charge that phone close to an hour. We'll wait and see when the phone is actually released and do some tests, and we can probably confirm that it's going to be super fast charging. And of course, the phone does come with Android Pie, so that's Android 9.0, Android Pie, and of course you get the One UI. The phone is going to be available in three colors. That's going to be gold, white, and black. And for those of you guys who are wondering, this phone is probably going to be not available in the US markets, but you'll most likely will be able to order this from online venues and get one in your hand. And the actual release date, the street date, is May 29th. So it's going to be sometime in May. Yeah, but that's basically all this phone is all about. The core components of this phone is a Samsung smartphone. Okay, so you got the One UI, you've got the nice build quality, glass on the front, glass on the back. But the biggest differentiator is, of course, the all-screen display with no notches, no holes, and of course that camera system that slides up and rotates, and of course that large battery with 25 watts of super fast charging. All right, now if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video, and let me know what you think about this phone. Now remember, this phone is not a flagship smartphone, it is a mid-range smartphone. So it doesn't compete in any way with the Samsung Galaxy S10 or the Note 9 and phones like that. It is a mid-range smartphone. Even the processor inside it is not a Snapdragon processor. It is in fact an octa-core processor, but it's nothing compared to a Snapdragon 855 processor. It does have 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. But it is definitely targeted right now, as far as I know, towards the Asian markets, okay? But anyway, let me know what you think about this phone down in the description box below. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.